Sometimes children may not like to have plain milk in the morning, and they may not prefer to eat any fruit before going to school, or once they return from school they may not feel like having the same milk with any other flavoring like a beverage like a Boost or a Milo or whatever else they prefer. And fruits can also get boring eaten by itself. And if we also want to introduce other elements like oats, I will show you now how to make a simple smoothie in which we are using some oats. These are actually whole oats, which is really big in size, and it is very high in fiber. I have some walnuts, which is also called the brain food because it's shaped like a brain and it's very good for children and adults. Then here I have taken a banana. I have a little sugar. You can skip the sugar or you can substitute it with honey or powdered jaggery. I have some milk and I have some vanilla essence just for adding more flavor to this smoothie. So we are now going to combine all of this and blend it together. You can even put it in your mixie and you will get your banana walnut oat smoothie. This is a very filling snack, and it's as good as a heavy breakfast, and it will hold well, and it is high on fiber and calcium and all the other nutrition which we get from banana and walnuts. So I'm going to add everything into the blender. Remember to add the milk last so that it doesn't splash, and if you feel it is getting a little too thick, you could also add a little water if you want. I'm just going to add a very little bit of vanilla essence for flavoring, and we'll now blend it, and you're going to get the smoothie right out. You can see now that this has been well blended. Since oats has an ability to kind of thicken the or rather absorb more liquid, this will tend to get a little thick. You could add a little more milk or some water as you go along. So this is your banana oats walnut smoothie, which is power packed and makes for a healthy breakfast also.